Exercise 14. For a polygon with n sides, the function g, 180 times n minus 2, gives the sum of the measures in degrees of the interior angles of that polygon in terms of n. If a polygon has 9 sides, so this means that n is 9, what would the sum of the measures of its interior angles be? So basically we are looking for g of 9, which is 180 times 9 minus 2, so 180 times 7. I'm not going to do it by 180 times 7. It's 1260, so we have a total of 1260 degrees.